The 1956 Jaguar XK140 left-hand drive open two-seater Roadster with Jaguar Heritage truss documentation, matching numbers engine and cylinder head, Tremec transmission, but the matching numbers transmission is included with the car, upgraded to front disc brakes, runs beautifully, an excellent car. Beautiful interior, lovely dashboard, and here's the Jaguar Heritage Trust thing, so you can tell that it is indeed real and retains its original components. Love it. Here we have the beautiful original Jaguar 3.5 liter dual overhead cam 6-cylinder, beautifully done with the original engine number. That's a cylinder head number right there, but it matches the engine too. Porcelainized exhaust manifolds, something like that. And original commissioning plate. Love it. Runs great. Recent service, upgraded to front disc brakes. Love that. And a wonderful car. All right, let's fire it up and take it for a drive. E-brake off. That Tremec transmission is really a pleasant thing to drive with. It's nice. Take it through the gears. And fifth. Love it. Power runs great. Fun car to drive. Okay, we got headlights and parking lights working. Tail lights working. There's the turn signal on the right side, so we've got guys working. And that guy's working. And let's try the left side. Have to have the ignition on for this stuff. And you can hear it clicking. Yep, here we go. Left side and left side. And there's the license light too, that's nice. Okay. One more quick walk around of the Jaguar 56 XK140. It's a beautiful car. It's had a tremendous amount of work done to it. I would not say it's a top show car, but it is very beautiful, and it'd be a great car for someone to drive and enjoy. Beautiful.